Hi guys, Srini here from Practical. Today we are gonna unbox the Realme X3. So directly let's go to the unboxing. Before unboxing this device, I just have to say that please subscribe this video and give a like to this video so that I'll be happy. Okay, and one more thing, we bought this on Flipkart and I will discuss the price at the end of the video. So now let's unbox the device. Before that, let's see the specs. Snapdragon 855 Plus, Hyper Boost, 120Hz display, 64 megapixel AI quad camera. Yeah, it's pretty good. And we get a punch hole display, so it makes our display a little more good. I really love punch hole displays. And it's saying, hey, welcome to Realme family branding, and the Realme branding. Skip the side. Yeah, we get a TPU case with nice quality. Yeah, it's nice quality. The device itself, the Realme X3 and some paperwork, and we get a 30-watt charger in the box. Let's keep everything aside. Just for a second. Okay, so guys, I'm feeling the device right now. So the color that I ordered is Glacier Blue. I really love this color. It has a nice touch to it and I love the feel when I hold this device. Yes, let's check what we get, like the feeling that we get when we put our TPU case. It's more better. The feel is more better when we put the case. So guys, please make sure we put the case, it's better and it'll protect your screen and basically obviously your phone. So let's power on this big boy up. So before when I power up, I will say the specs will be on the screen right now for just you guys. And guys, the device has power on. Like I forgot to say one thing. The 30-watt chargeable comes with a USB Type-C charger. That's all. Okay, so guys, the device itself has power on. Yes, this big boy looks very good, and this has the quad camera setup, as you guys can see. So this is shooting 64 megapixel main camera photos at the video. So yes, and this has a Face ID scanner and even a fingerprint scanner. Wait, let me just quickly at the pin. And the fingerprint scanner is like really fast, and it's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is really fast. Okay, so guys, I heard that this runs with Android 10 and even Realme UI. So let's just go to about phone. Yes, Realme X3 with Realme UI 1.0 and with Android 10. So we get latest things. And you can only get this when you buy the device. Like there's a really great haptic engine for your device. Like when you close and when you click the camera button, the haptic engine in the Realme X3 is really good. So let's do some camera comparisons. Really good. Like I really love the camera on this device. So I'll take some photos, like some samples. I'll put it in the display right now. So guys, next is gaming. Everything is finished. Last is gaming. The processor in this device is like in a really good, like it's really fast, and this has the 120 hertz display. I don't know if you can see, but in real life, smooth, buttery smooth, and 855 plus, it's really good. Is this a good way, like opening ads for testing the 855 plus best processor? Nah, we should do some gaming. Let's go to gaming. Let's open Pubg directly and let's play some games.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Expired! Reloading! Target down! Dead! Clear! Dead! Cover me! Nice shot! Reloading! Expired! Cover me! Nice shot! Reloading!
Killing spree for the red team!
Engine down! Clear! Expired!
Killing spree for the blue team! Blue team is in the lead.
Expired! Cover me! Dead!
Killing spree for the blue team!
Great! You're about to win!
The red team doesn't have a lot of time left.
Target down!
team is in the lead.
So guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Please like this video and share this with your friends who use your Realme devices. And don't forget to subscribe because we are only having 100 subscribers. So it's me, your boy Srini ZK, and I'm signing out. You're watching Crack Attack. Bye bye, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.